Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am in my MAZDASPEED 3 and I'm just gonna do some POV driving for you guys. For you guys who don't know how MAZDASPEED 3 sounds like. Kinda sounds like a Subaru, a little bit. But my mods are intercooler, intake, full cat back, race pipe, still catted, blow off valve. And yeah, you guys should get some cool sounds off that. Let's have some fun. Don't go too hard, I wanna crash, but let's have some fun. Alright guys, let's jump into it. And right now I saw a dope Porsche just go that way. Kinda did a downshift going up. It sounded cool. Ignore those sounds. I do need I'm missing some hangers on the exhaust. I need to install them, so if you hear it rattling from under, that's what it is. And yeah. Hopefully that road's open at the end because it's super sick. I'm not gonna go too hard, but this car is fun to toss around a little bit, not gonna lie. Also, one thing to know, this road is not the best. It's known, it's fun, but it's not the best for like going crazy because it's a shitty road. It's super bumpy. You can't really go fast like on the straightaways. It's bumpy, it turns, it's messy. There's an M3 right there. Hopefully it doesn't come behind me. Good. He'll smoke me. Those things can handle. Super narrow as well. That's why this road's not the best, but it's fun. It's still fun. Give a little faster than usual, then yeah, you'll have some fun. And I am on stock suspension as well. I do have the BVS wheels, so they sit a little wider out, so that's, I feel like that makes the car handle a little bit better because the old setup, I feel like they're too sunk in. Skinny tires, they're a little bit thicker tires. But yeah. Super narrow. Those cars come out of nowhere. Yeah, I do have a lot of things in here. My camera, my stuff, gym stuff. Cause I'm hitting the gym after this. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let's hear the noise. Woo! Oh, jeez. Ignore my one more thing. Ignore my speedometer's not working. All those lights. I have to replace my speed sensors. I just haven't got to it, so ignore all that. fun's over. Oh my god. Alright guys, welcome back. That car was going so slow, I had to go into first. Oh my god, why? Why do people do that? Like, just get out of the way. Finally, he got out of the way. He pulled over in a turn. Like, come on, dog. At least pull over in a straightaway. Until I finally got past him. I said, like, just pull over, dog. This freaking little automatic transmission, probably struggling too. I just didn't want to be like freaking 4,000 RPMs. Then he was going so slow. I'm like in second gear going like 2, bro. There's no torque. Freaking guy. That's the thing that sucks about this road. You gotta be like at super low gears. It's steep and like narrow and windy. You guys are probably loving those turbo sounds. I know I am. Steep turn. That's where we're going, guys. And you can see that from my house all the way down there. It takes about a good 30 minutes to get up, if not a little bit more, around there. So this used to be government property, because I guess up there were I guess Air Force Base or something, like communications tower. And it used to be closed. I used to come down here when I was younger, like in high school and stuff. You see a lot of like government cars, trucks coming in there. But yeah, now it's a tourist spot. I wouldn't say tourist, but like now it's, you can go up there and it tells you the history, and it's pretty peaceful. Anyone can go hike up there as well. There's a couple trails. Yeah, I've never gone up here because I don't know. It's just I feel like this parking definitely. I feel like the trails I just get lost. I remember going on a night hike here with a couple of high school buddies. Man, it was terrifying. It was terrifying, but it was fun. I miss those days. Yeah, growing up sucks, guys. But this is how we have fun now. Grown-up fun. We drive cars, and then we'll drive later on in more expensive cars. So it never changes. It just gets more expensive. Oh, don't tell me it's closed. No. Oh man, we're too late. Well, that was fun while it lasted. But yeah, usually this is open. You can go all the way up there, but it's closed. Alright guys, see, that was a fun drive. The Speed 3 does sound really good and it's fun to drive. I kind of feel bad because I passed that group of guys' car, but I don't want to be in such a low gear where this car was just getting hot and reaching like 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs, because we don't want that. It kind of overheats it. You always want to stay lower, like around 335. So that's what I wanted to be at. That's why I passed them. Yeah, I wanted to have some fun too. They're going too slow. But guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I just want to give you guys a little POV drive into the Speed 3 so you guys can hear the turbo. Hopefully the GoPro caught the footage. Obviously caught the footage. Hopefully it caught the sound. And yeah, I'm just enjoying the sunset now. Before we hit a good gym session, just clear the mind. We're gonna go hard, guys, and I want to make more videos for you guys as well. So we're gonna go hard on both. And yeah, just keep moving forward. I can't say that because that's TJ Hunts. But you guys get what I mean. Just keep on moving. But yeah, I'm gonna stay consistent and we're gonna just keep going. So yeah, on to the next one. See you guys later.